So onto Kinesis Firehose delivery stream, similar to data streams, but it's a lot simpler. So the way it works is that it also has producers, and those producers send data into Kinesis Firehose. The difference here is that as soon as data is ingested, so like a consumer consumes that data, it immediately disappears from the queue. Okay, so data is not being persisted. The other trade-off here is that you can only choose one consumer. So you have a few options. You can choose S3, Redshift, Elasticsearch, or Splunk. Generally, people are going to be outputting to S3. So there's a lot more simplicity here, but there's also limitations around it. The nice thing, though, is you don't have to write any code to consume data. But that's the trade-off, is you don't have any flexibility on how you want to consume the data. It's very limited. Firehose can do some manipulations to the data that is flowing through it. I can transform the data. So if you have something where you want it from JSON, you want to convert it to Parquet, there are limited options for this. But the idea is that you can put it into the right data format so that if it gets inserted into S3, so maybe Athena would be consuming that it's now in Parquet file, which is optimized for Athena. It can also compress the files, so just simply zip them, right? There's different compression methods, and it can also secure them. So there's that advantage. The big advantage is Firehose is very inexpensive because you only pay for what you consume. So only data that's ingested is what you pay for. You kind of think of it like, I don't know, AWS Lambda or Fargate. So the idea is you're not paying for those running shards, okay? And it's just simpler to use. And so if you don't need data retention, it's a very good choice.